Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I am Danielle Naomi. Do not forget to click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and yeah, let's jump into the contents of this video. And before we do, let me go ahead and give you guys the name of this unit and everything you need to know about it. So this wig is from Nadula Hair. So I'm back again with another Nadula Hair video. So this wig is called the Ombre TL412 Brazilian straight wig unit, frontal wig unit. That is, it is 26 inches, and 26 inches is about here, and it is also 180% density. And I was saying while I was straightening and styling the unit that it was actually really thick, so I love that about this wig. I love how this color complements me. I actually like it. The only thing I would want to do after taking this off is create some darker roots for me. But honestly, this chocolate honey brown and this nice golden blonde streaks are cute actually, and I do like it. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install my wig with glue this time. For all the people who haven't seen a glued on tutorial on me in a minute, I haven't done it because I definitely have switched over to team glueless. But yeah, let's jump into the video and I will see you guys. Hey babes, so as you can see from the title, this wig is from Nadula, of course, and today I'll be putting it on using glue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pin up my hair using my duck clip. After that, we're gonna make sure we have our ear tabs where we need them to be in place, and using some scissors, we're gonna just go ahead and cut it out, or a razor, it doesn't matter which one. A razor is preferred sometimes and a scissor is preferred another time. It just depends on what you want to do. This is my chain pendant, by the way, so let's get into that part. And now that we're done with cutting the lace off, we're gonna just go in with our scissor and touch up parts that need to be cut up a little bit more, as well as to cut off our ear tabs. Just have to make sure it's above our ear and that it's super comfortable. Okay, so now we're going to get into gluing the unit down, and what I like to do is go through and outline my lace and where I actually want to glue it down at, so I don't like go too far down on my forehead. So I just use this as like a barrier of where to put the lace and where not to put the lace. So we're gonna pull the frontal up a little bit more just so we can start the gluing process. So now that we've successfully put down one layer, we're gonna go ahead and do 2 layers of glue, because I really don't like glue anymore. Like, I'll do it on my clients if they ask, but if they don't ask for glue, and I ask them if they want to do glueless, like, I just prefer doing glueless over glued any day. But I'm just gonna just keep fanning until the layer of glue is dried. Then I'm gonna go in with my second layer, then I'm gonna lay it down. But today we just going back to the basics, because that's how it was at first. Well, to be honest, it was like glueless first, then lace glue, then back to glueless, and here we are gluing our unit down. So we're gonna just fan until it dries down clear. And once it dries down clear and it's tacky, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and put my wig on. And now we're gonna pretty much just pull our wig down, coming closer so you guys can see. And we are gonna just melt it into the skin. Okay, so because the sides aren't like all the way flat, I will be gluing the sides down off camera. Then I'll be back to do my baby hairs and also straighten the unit. So keep on watching. I have decided to just let down this gorgeous hair, and we're not doing baby hairs today. So let's get into styling. My hot comb, I love to make sure that I just drench the hair with my Sebastian so it can lay just like this. This is the exact reason why. Just look at that difference already that it's doing with this wig. And I've decided also that I would like my hair to, you know, like lay forward and pretty much cover the lace. And that is only because I'm not doing baby hairs, and when I'm not doing baby hairs, I just want to make sure my hair looks super flat and as sleek as it possibly can. Now that we're done with that, we're pulling all the hair to the front, and I'm going to start straightening. Making sure that you brush your wig through is the best way to start detangling before straightening, and it just helps the hair to straighten better and look better, of course. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna go in with some rusk. This is an argan oil. So I'm rubbing it together, rubbing on each side evenly. You don't want to saturate too much of it unless it's at the top, because you don't want your hair to be super flat. No, you want it to still move and have life and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna get into straightening. This unit is really long, and I can't wait to show you guys my pictures on Instagram. So go ahead and follow my Instagram if you're not. It's Danielle Naomi _ and yeah, let's jump into this straightening portion. And the straightener that I use is the Babyliss Titanium Pro. I don't know why, but this iron and my my curling iron are starting to fade away, like the names on it. So I can't even see or tell you guys what curling iron that I use, because I don't even know. But this hair straightens so well already. I can obviously tell the difference, and it looks gorgeous. Ooh, and today is the day before Valentine's Day, and I'm really contemplating if I want to wear this hair or other hair. I really feel like this hair is gonna do it, because it got the streaks in it. It looked like I put some effort in it, but no, this wig came just like this. So y'all, ooh, and it's nice and thick. It's not thin at all, so we have some body as well as some length, because this is giving me 24 inches for sure, or 26. I'm gonna leave the specs in the description box, or go ahead and tell you guys before, like in the intro. But yeah, let me hurry up and finish this side so I can come back, tell you guys more about the wig, and tell you guys the actual specs and the full details. But this wig is gorgeous, and the color job is so minimal on it. It's just a couple streaks up top, and then the rest is like a nice brown, like deep honey brownish color. I love it. It makes my skin look good. These are the ones we been needed, honey. So I'm really happy that I chose and collaborated with Nadula, because this wig is giving me life. At this point, y'all need to go purchase this wig, and all the details for it will be in the description box for any of you lovely ladies out there who would like to purchase this unit. I love it so much. So yeah, that's actually it. Okay, so I definitely went and checked my email, and I am wearing the Ombre TL412 Brazilian straight wig, lace front wig from Nadula Hair. It was 26 inches. I was totally correct. Ever since I did my procedure, like, all my hair has been looking shorter on me. But yeah, this is most definitely 26 inches in all its glory, and it is also 180 density. So girl, it's super thick, and I was commenting on how thick it was while straightening. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Every single thing you need to know for this wig, as well as the specs and details for Nadula and their website and social medias, and the links to this wig will be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one.